The best time to replace your gutters? Well, first and foremost, when you don't have any. You have that dirt splashing up off the ground. You have the slippery ice in the winter that makes you fall right on your butt. You don't want that. So that's the best time to replace your gutters, when you don't have any. Also, another time to replace your gutters is when they're leaking. Before you do that though, just make sure that your sealant is good. You might be just a little bit of a touch up, but if they're those junky plastic ones from your big box store, chances are they're leaking, or they're going to, or they're not draining properly. So that is a good opportunity to replace them with a seamless system. If they're deteriorated, a lot of these old gutter systems don't have the paint coatings and finishes that stop them from deteriorating or rusting. So if you are deteriorated or rusting, they may be leaking too from that. That's a great time to replace your gutters. Another great time to replace your gutters is when they're damaged. A tree falls on them, stops them from doing their job. Hail hits them and they're all dented up and looking ishy. That's another great time to replace your gutters. In summary, the best time to replace your gutters is when you don't have any, they're leaking, they're damaged, or deteriorated. So if you're in the market of replacing your gutters, make sure to call a reputable contractor like North Face Construction, or another person with a nice, classy mustache to take care of your gutter replacement needs. Give us a call today and we'd be happy to help.